All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today, this morning, wherever you are in the world. Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. I'm on with my partner, Rennie, from originally from Germany, and she actually lives in New York now. We've been connected for about 3 years, going on 4 years now in business, and we're good friends as well. We've been through a lot. We came in an industry where, things were a lot of, well, actually, Rennie, when we first started, was it with, what was the company name, Rennie?
Achieve.
Achieves. And some of you guys probably already, a lot of you probably was in it or you know about Achieves. Achieves was one of those programs where it was a true Ponzi, and actually there's some legal action being taken on the owners of that program right now. But that's how we met. It was a lot of people that joined Achieves. A lot of people made a lot of money. A lot of people lost a lot of money. And right now there's a legal case still going on right now against the owners of that program, unfortunately. So that's how we met, and we've been through so to speak, the hoops to find the right opportunities to present to people. Rennie and I have the same heart to help people, and that's why we get on hangouts like this. That's why we we put ourselves out there is to bring the right information to you. It hurts us. It hurts me. It hurts, I know, everybody else when a program it says one thing, and then in the end it does something else, which it goes down the drain, or it just fails out. So me and Rennie, we want to always be connected with the business that's going to be around for a long time. You can go to bed at night and you can feel good about the business that you're in. So that's it in a nutshell. That's what we've been through. So now in 2017 and beyond, we've become smarter, more meticulous, and more methodical entrepreneurs who are it's kind of like we're playing chess in a way. Okay. We're making our moves that, depending on, the integrity of the company. And truth be told, guys, there's a lot of ways to make money online. Plenty of ways. You see, everything. You ever heard that saying? Everything that glitters is not gold. You ever heard that saying before? Everything that glitters is not gold. You got programs popping up that says, "Oh, we're going to pay you 10% a day, 6% a day." Guys, if it's too good to be true, it's probably the truth. Okay, it's too good to be true. It's probably just run from it. Don't even mess with it. So I've been a victim of these programs. I've got into these HYPs before in the past and thought, oh, this is going to be around for a long time and bring a lot of people in, and lo and behold, it disappears out of the blue. So we're in a position now to bring the right things to you. And today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, which is a lot of them out there. We're going to talk about gold. We're going to talk about mining Bitcoin, mining Litecoin, just mining. If you don't know about mining, we're going to hit on that as well. But we're going to show you how to take advantage of these opportunities. Bitcoin, along with the other cryptocurrencies, is a big deal right now. People are talking about it. People who's never heard of the name Bitcoin they're getting excited about this currency because of the price of it. And guys, about 8 months ago, I made a video on how to sign up with a Coinbase. Coinbase is a wallet where you can house Bitcoins. And at that time, Bitcoin was about $400 and something odd dollars. Today, as you will see, it's over $2,400. One Bitcoin. And it's going to continue to go up. It's going to continue to go up. So what is Bitcoin? What is Bitcoin? Well, unlike your fiat paper money, okay, which is, I'm in the USA, okay, so our paper money is depreciating. The value of it is depreciating. And and what happens is the government continues to produce more and more of this stuff, and the value is going down. There's really no value in the dollar. Okay. Now, on the other side of the equation, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It is digital. Oh, let me go back and say this about the fiat currency, the paper money. It is regulated, okay? It is owned by the United States of America. So whatever country you're in, you may have paper money. It is probably more than likely owned by that government, okay? The USA, our dollar is owned by our government, okay? What's crazy is this country is so much in debt. So if we're supposed to be the land of the free and the richest, country, why are we in debt? You see? So here comes cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is not regulated by anyone. It is digital, okay? And there's a limited supply. So you put all three of those components together, and it makes the value of this cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, go up, okay? Now you have other ones out there, altcoins and Ethereum. I can't even say it right. How do you say it, Rennie? Ethereum?
Litecoin.
Ethereum. I think Ethereum. I think everyone says it different. I say it with my German accent.
Okay, I need to learn how to say it like you did. You got Ripple. And I'm going to show you guys a chart in just a second on how you can stay in touch with the rise and the fall of these cryptocurrencies. And then we're going to shift to how to capitalize on these cryptocurrencies. So basically, that's in a nutshell, guys, what this is, what cryptocurrency is. It's digital. There's no owner. It's more, and for me personally, I see it like this. It's more for the people all around the world than just for, it's not controlled. So when something is not controlled, it's for everybody. Bitcoin, all the other cryptocurrencies are for everybody, you see. The other thing is this. You can transfer if you have like Bitcoin in one of your Coinbase or blockchain wallets, you can transfer it to what's called a BitPay card, okay? I do that a lot. BitPay, if you go to bitpay.com, you can pick up a BitPay, you can purchase a BitPay card. I think it's like $10. They're going to ship it to your house, okay? And what you can do, every time you get Bitcoins into your Coinbase wallet or your blockchain wallet, you can easily transfer those funds over to your BitPay card and use it just like you do in everyday life with a debit card or credit card, okay? It has a Visa logo on there, and it makes it very simple to use. I use it all the time, and I actually used it on my last vacation when I went to Orlando, Florida. That's all I used was BitPay, okay? So it makes it very simple to do that. Now, I'm going to switch over to Rennie. Rennie, can you tell us a little bit about, so now that you have an overview of Bitcoin, we're going to talk about a little bit about Bitcoin mining, okay? So you got Bitcoin, and then you got Bitcoin mining. And at the end, again, we're going to talk about how to capitalize on all this, and then we're going to take some questions. But Randy, what is Bitcoin mining, or can you mine other cryptocurrencies as well?
Yes. Okay, I'm pretty new to the subject as well, or mining other cryptocurrencies, altcoins. Mm-hmm. But yes, you can mine them. And the great thing about Bitcoin is it is decentralized. So that means, you can mine the Bitcoin until the whole supply is out there, which will take probably until we will be all dead until that happens. Let's say it like that, because they want until 2,140 or something like that.
Long time.
Yeah. So you can mine, and the great thing about is I do it in Swiss Code Global, so they don't have a contract there, which is good because you can just keep on mining. You can keep on mining your whole life Bitcoin. You know, they have these packages that you buy or contracts. Let's say contracts. They have contracts you can buy. It doesn't matter how, it starts, I think, as low as $30 a contract. And let's say you buy one of these contracts and you want to mine Bitcoin. They give you daily revenue back, these contracts. And with the value, with the Bitcoin value going up, you will get more value for your $30 because you have to see it like this. You have your $30 in Bitcoin in there and you mine it. And with the value of Bitcoin going up, these $30 are automatically worth more.
That's right. Okay. So in a way, a person can come into, so say a person opens up a Coinbase account or blockchain or whatever wallet they have. What's the difference? Because you can actually, buy Bitcoins right from your Coinbase account, or you can have it in your blockchain account. And then with the rise of Bitcoin, it's going to reflect in your account, right? It's going to reflect or the rise or fall.
Yes, exactly.
And so what would be the benefit of joining a mining company per se, as opposed to just letting your Bitcoin sit there and do what it does?
Because you don't lose out on money. Like, okay, I think, I really think nobody will lose out on value at one point. But the thing is, the Bitcoin price goes up and down, and that's the nature of it. So, but when it goes down, even when it goes down, you have it secure. Your $30 will always be worth $30, you know. And even when the value of Bitcoin, let's say you buy a $30 contract today, and today one Bitcoin is worth $2,400.
Right.
Okay. Let's say the Bitcoin value tomorrow is $1,900. Your value in Swisscoin when you mine is still $30. Your value doesn't go down, and you still mine on it because people still buy and sell Bitcoins, but they still keep on buying Bitcoins as well, or trading Bitcoins, let's say it like this, and you still mine at the same time. So your value just doesn't go down. When you have it sitting in a wallet, everybody can do that. You can have it sitting in a wallet and wait until the value goes up or down. But when you mine it, the value won't go down. You will still mine on the money. So the value can actually just go up when you mine it, you know?
That's okay. I think that's right. That makes a lot of sense. And also in the mining part, you can compound what you're mining. Is that right?
Exactly. That's also great. Like you get paid daily, and you can just put this money, like the profit that they daily make with mining, you can just put it back in, and it just keeps on mining for the next day. You just have a higher amount that will be mined for, and you can just keep on doing that every single day.
So so in a sense, it's a lot better. Actually, it is a lot better than putting your bank again in something like a savings account or a 401k or pension, pensions and things like that. With the value of what we have here with this cryptocurrency space, you can do really well. Your Bitcoins can actually make you a great income, depending on what you're willing to invest in, half a year or less.
This is a real investment, Bitcoin is a investment. You really invest for the future. You don't invest to just make a quick buck out of it, especially when you mine. You just do it for your future, not only for your own future, but for your family's future. I will mine right now for my daughter's future, that she can go to college without me. And the thing is, the value would just increase. I'm not even concerned about that. The value would increase. So at the end of the day, I will have her college paid for free. You know, she's 4 years old now. That will take still over 10 years until she will go to college. And until then, I have made so much profit with alone mining Bitcoins that it will be for free at the end of the day.
You're right about that. You're definitely right about that with what we have here. So here's what I'm gonna do, Rennie. I'm going to kind of share my screen real quick and show people where they can go to see, you know, different types of cryptocurrencies, kind of keep in touch with what's going on in the marketplace, and then we'll come back and we'll talk more about how to capitalize on this. So give me 1 second, guys. Share my screen. You guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, great.
Yes.
Great. All right, so here is a site right here. It's called coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com. And this is a place where you can just come and see the rise of all these cryptocurrencies. You can see all the metrics and everything. As you can see, we've been talking about Bitcoin as #1 on the market cap. Okay. And the price of Bitcoin right now is $2,402, and it had a little decrease here, but not much. These are small. So when you see this, let me bring up Trading View real quick. So give me 1 second. I do a little trading too, guys, and with Forex, and this is, I mean, and there's people that do trading with crypto, and I think Rennie, you just started trading crypto as well. Is that right, Rennie?
I didn't understand you. I think the connection was lost for a second.
Oh, okay. Have you started trading on crypto? You started some crypto trading, right?
Yes, but I do it on my own.
You do it on
I
your
just
own?
do it on my own. Yeah, I just take a little money. I don't take a lot of money, and this is the great thing about it. You don't need to have a lot of money to trade on your own cryptocurrencies. You know, I just take like $20 here and there, and then I just put it into a coin. And then when it's red, when it's falling down, then I put a few bucks in it. And then most of the times, for now, what happened to me, it doubled in a few days. So then I take my profit out and just keep the other, my original money I keep in there. I take the profit out and I invest it in another coin where I see value in, you know?
Gotcha. Okay. So I'm gonna once I get done sharing my screen here, we can pass it on to you. That way you can show people what you're doing. Is that all right with that? Gotta show them what you're doing. That sound good, Rennie?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So here's this is a let me bring up. So Trading View is basically, guys, it's is where you can pretty much see different currencies in real time. You know, the trend. Like right here, I already have Bitcoin versus the US dollar, okay? And as you can see, we're on a daily chart. And the green, right, this is, you know, right now, there's a huge spike up in the Bitcoin, okay? So this means the green is all Bitcoin. And this is on a daily chart. So all the candles you see are daily, okay? Daily. There was a little pullback. So when you see when you see a decline in Bitcoin, just a little small decline, that means the market just pulled back a little bit, and then that's actually healthy. Okay, and trading is very healthy because you got to have. There's always going to be buyers and sellers in any. I don't care whatever currency you're trading or whatever currency you're looking at. But you see the rise here, then a little pull back and look. The buyers came back in, and it's going to continue to go up. And you see, look at the metrics right here. The volume is on top here, which means there's a strong uptrend. And here's an indication right here as well. So this is equivalent to why Bitcoin is number one now. Ethereum. I'm gonna get this down in saying this currency here. This is another hot one. This is rising as well. Okay, so both of these, and then Ripple. A lot of talk about Ripple and NIM and Litecoin, Dash. I mean, we have a platform we want to show you guys where you can pretty much mine all of these and make a daily passive income with these cryptocurrencies. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, NIM. Again, this site is called coinmarketcap.com. And then here's Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase gives you a lot of clues on which coins are producing well. Okay, so inside of Coinbase, you have none other than Ethereum and Litecoin. Okay, so that should ring a bell, and that should give you, a leeway to say, hey, Coinbase recognizes these coins. I may want to put a little bit of money and invest in these type of coins to see what happens. Okay, so that's what I want to show you guys. Hopefully that all made sense to you. Coinmarketcap.com is the site to look at the numbers to see how these coins are, how they're performing.
I can give a little example about Ethereum.
Okay, yes.
Ethereum, I bought a few, not a lot. I just bought a few. Sorry, not Ethereum, but Ethereum Classic. That's another coin. They have nothing to do with each other, but yeah, it's another coin. I bought that, let's say, I think like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, and it was $6.50 worth. And now it's already worth $17.
Nice.
Coin.
Nice.
Yes, that's amazing. And in the platform that you will show them next, you can not only mine Bitcoin, you can mine a lot more. But if you switch, then we can see that.
Yeah, you wanna take them to Swiss Gold?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let me get you over real quick, Rennie. I'm gonna make you the presenter here.
Oh no! I can't because I'm on my phone.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
If you can, I can tell you where to go, so I can just explain a little.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Go ahead, Rennie.
Yeah. So in Swiss Gold Global, what we can do, we can mine Bitcoin there, and it has no contract, which is good because you can just mine it in forever there until all the Bitcoins are fully mined, and that won't happen until 2140 or so. That's the estimate until they're all mined out, because since the value increases, the mining part becomes a slower progress. So you can also mine Ethereum there, Litecoin, Dash, and Zcash, but they all come with a 24-month contract. These other, sorry. So Bitcoin is our main coin. This is God in the cryptocurrency. And then we have all these other coins, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and Zcash, and they can be mined also on Swiss Gold Global, but they come with a 24-month contract, which means, let's say I personally want to buy Ethereum because I think it has a really, really big potential. And let's say I buy me a $30 contract right now. I can mine it for the next 2 years, I can mine it for 2 years, and then this contract will end. After this, what I have mined in Ethereum with my $30 contract, I can compound it over the next 2 years, or I can take. It doesn't matter what you do. You can take your profits out, or you can just keep on compounding. But after these 24 months, the contract will end, and I would have to open a new contract for Ethereum. But I think you can have more contracts open, and you can have higher amounts, of course. $30, I just say that because this is the minimum you can buy contracts for. So this is pretty.
So Swiss Gold Global, which is the company we're talking about, guys, it's been around for quite a long time. I believe over 5 years. Is that right, Rennie?
Yes. And they add new crypto, like they see which altcoins have big potential and are backed good. And I think they keep on adding more. And also you can buy gold and silver there. So this is not the only cryptocurrency. If you're interested in gold or silver, you can also get that on there and hold it.
So it makes it so Swiss Gold is like going to Walmart and getting everything you need in a sense.
Yes, exactly.
Swiss Gold, you can get the top cryptocurrencies and say, hey, you know what? I would like a piece of Bitcoin. I would like a piece of Ethereum, a piece of Litecoin. You know, you can mine those. You can even get gold, which gold is you know, of course, high in value. So it's all in one place, and you can. It's a solid investment, guys. You know, if your money is sitting in a bank account, sorry to say, it's not going to do much good. It's going to collect dust. Okay, it's best. I would rather for my money to have legs and arms, than to be sleeping and laying in bed all day. Make your money move, and this is what we want to show you. You know, on these hangouts, make your money get up and move, rather than just sit there. So, but yeah, Swiss Gold is the place where you can do this. Now we're going to be doing more hangouts, talking about more opportunities as well. So we want to try to do this. We want to try to do this probably every week or every other week. Okay. And if you could you mute your line? Mute your line if you're on with us, please. But so hold on one second, guys. Is that you, Kim? Can you hear me? Is that Kim? Kim Jones, could you mute your line for me, sister? All right. So that's basically what it is, guys. Bitcoin mining, you can do it a few ways. You can mine the Bitcoin. You can buy it. Okay, like Rennie said, you can buy it when it's at so the key here with the market is to buy low, sell high. Exactly what Rennie did. It was at a certain point where it was low. She bought some. She doubled her money, and she took out her profits. Okay, so we got some background noise, guys. Could you please mute your lines if you're not speaking? Thank you. All right, so that's basically what it is, guys. Randy, you got anything else, sister?
Nope, not that I could think of right now.
Okay. Any questions from anyone that's on the line? We have about 10 participants on. Well, 8, including me and Rennie. But any questions from anyone out there?
Okay, all right. So I'd like to ask very quickly. So Swiss Gold, I think I may have heard about the company and I know the deal in gold. So I'm hearing now that they are also involved in cryptocurrency mining, specifically Bitcoin. Now, I have also been told of another company they call Dragon Mining in South Africa that does Bitcoin mining. Now, what I'd like to understand is for instance, the Dragon Mining company that does that in South Africa. So you start with about 25 USD, which is the minimum. Mm-hmm. And then, so I didn't go into the details of trying to understand how they do the mining, but my interest was to know how much one can earn or how much one can mine, within a certain time frame. So that gives me a picture. Now, I think Rennie was trying to give that explanation that it is not just for the now, but for the future. Now, I can tell you, yes, we are all interested in trying to, make money for the future. At the same time, we also need some money to go on vacation, spend the money right now and do some stuff and all of that. And so comparing Swiss Gold and then Dragon Mining and then the mining period or the mining capabilities, how much can one mine within a period? And what is the advantage between some of these companies, because they all have or claim to have the capabilities in terms of mining and that. So that's the first question. So if you understand the question and you want to go for that, fine. Before I go for I ask the next question.
Okay, good question, Victor. So just want to make sure I understand your question here. How much you asking? How much can you make per se with the mining over time, and what's the difference between this mining company as opposed to Genesis Mining, Dragon Mining? Is that about right?
Very correct.
Okay, Swiss Gold Global, they work with Genesis Mining or however you call it. Yes. Mm-hmm. So there is not really a big difference, and there, the thing about mining is. Mm-hmm. Nobody can predict the crypto digital currency market. Nobody can predict it unless like fiat money. You can often predict the market. In cryptocurrency, you can't. They can say what they want. You cannot predict it. There are really big uptrends in cryptocurrency, and they will continue to go up. But you can't predict it, so you can't have an estimate. What I saw in the Swiss Gold Global back office, they do give you an estimate, but only on Bitcoin, not on the other altcoins. Only on Bitcoins, you have like a slide bar there, and then let's say you want to invest $1,000, then you slide the bar to $1,000, okay? And then it will show you an estimate on how much in Bitcoin value it will mine estimately daily. So this is what you can do. You can actually go on Swiss Gold Global. You can sign up there under Ontarian or so. And then you can actually put a value in there that you maybe think about to invest, and it can give you an estimate on how much it will mine in Bitcoin.
Okay, fantastic. I think that because I do remember that when I had a chat with the gentleman who introduced Dragon Mining to me. So I tried to ask, or I tried to get the right, or to just to have an idea of how much one would make over a certain period of time. But so he kept insisting that it's not possible for him to give me but the only thing there is that the price of Bitcoin will keep going up, but he can't confirm. And so, well, I understood, but I was very curious. I'm still curious. So, but hearing what Rennie is saying now, that if the company has been able, if Swiss Gold has been able to develop, something that gives you an idea without any commitment or guarantees, that's fantastic for me.
Exactly.
And I believe the Bitcoin, like you said, Rennie, the Bitcoin is what you can mine without having that 24-month expiration. Is that right?
Exactly. So I heard there are different mining companies and they do have contracts on Bitcoin, but Swiss Gold Global, they do not have a contract time. So it doesn't matter what you buy there on Bitcoin value, it will mine forever until everything is mined out, or until they put a contract later on there. But right now there is no contract. So it's not unlike altcoins that they do have a 24-month contract on there. And I think they do make contracts on altcoins because they are still so small, so much smaller in value, you know? And I think they just really cannot predict where they're going to yet, you know? But Bitcoin has proven itself. So I think the estimate that they give there, this is what they just analyzed over the past few years, what it's really mining, what's really the mining value estimated, you know?
Makes a lot of sense. And, you know, if I was in Swiss Gold, you know, the strategy from what we've been talking about now and from what, you know, what I showed you guys on the market cap, Bitcoin, and then right after Bitcoin is Ethereum. Okay, I get tongue tied with that.
Actually, I think it's pronounced Ethereum.
Ethereum, right?
Ethereum. You gotta
Ethereum.
add that. You gotta add that. You gotta roll your tongue with that R. Ethereum. all right. I got it there. Ethereum. So yeah, okay. So that would be the strategy. Bitcoin first, of course, because that's going to mine forever. And then Ethereum, okay, and then whatever else you want to put in the basket, you know. So that would be a great strategy, guys. So again, we're dealing with a non-fiat currency here that is going up in value, okay.
Yep.
As opposed to paper money that is depreciating in value, that is regulated. All right, so that's what we're talking up here.
Yeah, exactly. And I guess, and so she said something very, very crucial. So there's a major departure from fiat currency into the digital world. And so cryptocurrency actually offers that platform. And gradually there's going to be a major shift. Now, the current financial system is old. It's over 60, 70 years old. And so that shift is very imminent. And then thanks to Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, who started this journey and then giving rise to, I think, over 700 other cryptocurrencies. And that's where the future is currently. I can guarantee that. So whether we like it or not, it's not debatable, it's not contestable. This is where we are headed. And so whether we like it or not, that's the future.
That's right. Exactly right, Victor. Exactly right, my friend. Well, thanks for that, brother. And we want to see if anyone else have any questions. Anyone else out there have any questions they would like to ask? We'll probably take a couple of more, and we'll let you guys go and enjoy your weekend. Anybody else out there? If you can hear us, you can unmute your mic. And you can ask your question. Well, I guess we did a okay job, I guess, Rennie.
Yeah, I think many people start realizing cryptocurrencies now. And I think there will be much more questions probably on our next hangout.
Yeah.
I think people really just try to learn right now about cryptocurrency because they keep on hearing it. And they will hear so much more. There wouldn't be so many Bitcoin ATMs. Even in New York, we have many Bitcoin ATMs. They wouldn't be there if it was all for nothing, you know?
That's right. And a lot of corporations, big corporations are developing, bringing in Bitcoin as well.
Yeah. And on 1st July, they legalized it in Australia.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. And I think it's South Korea also, and then Japan. And then also, if you look at the underlying technology, which is the blockchain, which is what the cryptocurrency is lying on top of. Now, major corporations, major financial institutions around the world are beginning to dig into the blockchain technology to see how they can leverage because of that decentralization nature of the cryptocurrency itself. So that is exactly what is happening right now. Like I said, that is where the world is heading. And so we can't change it, you know. If you look at the evolution of the internet, that has changed
big time.
practically everything.
That's right.
Everything.
Right.
And so cryptocurrency is also going to change everything, because I sit in the comfort of my house here. And by the way, so on the 15th, I'm traveling to the States. And then so I don't have a single USD denomination fiat currency on me, but I've got some Bitcoin. And so, and with my Bitcoin, I can exchange it, you know, for US dollars, and I can use it anywhere, you know, in the world. And then so that is what, you know, cryptocurrency offers today. You know, very fantastic and very interesting.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, it is interchangeable, guys. You can transfer, like I said earlier, get you a BitPay card. That thing, a BitPay card is phenomenal, guys. It's just like you know, you can transfer your Bitcoins there. But you also want to be smart. You know, if you have some money in your, so say you have a 401k or whatever, take a lump sum, and you've been in your job for a while, and you have a lump sum that you can take out. Take a portion out and invest it in Bitcoin. It'll be a smart move. I can guarantee you that. Okay, put a little bit in there. Maybe if it's 2,000-3,000, or you can do more, great. But let it sit there. Let it do its thing. Let it mine, and then you'll be a happy camper in a year or two or more. And you'll come back to this video and be like, you know what, Ontarian and Rennie and everybody else, they gave me a lot of education. I'm grateful, you know. So that's what we want to produce. We want to get you the right information that's going to help you make the right decision. And we're going to be bringing more to you guys. We just talked about Swiss Gold today, but we have other companies we're involved in, and we're looking at to expand this portfolio, because it's all about diversification anyway. It's all about spreading yourself as wide as you can, and then once you do that, just spreading the love, letting people know about it, talking about it, and showing people how it's done. So that's what it comes down to.
And there's one more thing. You have to really know this is all passively.
Right.
In these businesses, especially now the crypto, they give you really the chance to earn money on your own comfort. You don't have to talk to people and get them in to make money. Of course, there's always the possibility to make a commission when you spread the word and when you like what you do, but you don't have to, you know. And I think this is so important for so many people. They just don't have the time to sit online and talk to hundreds of people every day just to help them to expand their business faster, you know. So everyone can seriously everyone earns the same at the end of the day from the company. And when you put even more effort into it to bring it closer to people, then you get rewarded with commissions here and there, which is totally fine, you know. But everyone earns the same at the end of the day.
That's right. Passive income, guys, at its best. Passive income at its best. There's like I said, like we said earlier, I mean, everything that glitters out there is not gold, you know. And I've been approached, I don't know how many times I get approached on a weekly basis from people who trying to send me stuff that it looks good on the outside, but it won't last, you see. And we're always looking for things nowadays. What is going to be here for years to come, and what's going to be more beneficial for people. So just be careful out there, guys. There's a lot of programs out there that just, they look too good to be true. You know, all these, we're going to pay you 20% a day, you know, and
don't go for, I have been burned. So, I mean, so again, I have been burned. My fingers have been burned.
Oh yeah, we've all been there, brother. I mean, it's a learning experience. It's a learning experience, and we've all been in that hot seat. In the hot seat, you know, because you know, it's not about, see, when your money can grow gradually, you know, what's the saying? What is my saying that I always say on my videos? Slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly.
Not fast and steady. Fast and steady is going to go to slow and steady, and it's going to disappear. Okay, so you got to slow and steady wins the race. You know, gradual. I mean, people come to me, oh, I want to make money fast. How can I make money? How can I make 10,000 this month? I was like, are you really? You just coming online? It's not going to happen. It's not going. You got to be patient. You got to be patient. So it's not about that quick, you know, fast money.
Sure.
You find a company that, you know, especially when you have the value of what we're talking about here, cryptocurrencies, and then a company that locks arms with these cryptocurrencies and helps people to increase their income that way. That's a win-win situation for everybody. So
absolutely.
That's what you want. That's what you want. Any more questions, guys? Thank you all for coming on.
I have a question. I want to say something.
Who is that? Who is it? Is that Alita? Alita?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Trying to get my walk on and listen at the same time.
All right. You melting that clay, huh?
Yeah. So I just want to say I appreciate Ontarian for sending me this link because I've been trying to get more information and understand the bit about the bit mining. So I really appreciate this call.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's why I just wanted to say I just appreciated all the information that you guys are giving us this morning.
Yeah, did it make sense?
Yes.
Great.
And I can't wait to get into it.
Wonderful. Yeah. We're going to be bringing more information, and we just want to educate the world about this and how it all works, so people can make an educated decision.
Right.
Yeah, but yeah, I see you walking, boy. You on it.
Yeah. I'm trying to stay on it.
There you go. I need to. You know what? I need to get to the gym before, because I got to go to the barber shop, and you guys probably look at me like you don't have any hair. I got. Look, I gotta clean all this stuff up right here. Yeah, but I shave my own head though. I gotta shave my head and everything. So, but I need to go to the gym before I go to the barber shop. So I need to do what you're doing, Alita. Sylvia has a question. Let's see. Sylvia, let's see.
She asked how she can access the recording.
Yeah, I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel. And Sylvia, yeah, this has been recorded, guys. So you can always refer back to it, at your leisure. Any more questions? We'll go ahead. We're 50 minutes in. We covered quite a bit. And our next hangouts, we're just going to kind of go deeper into how you can take advantage of this, what companies out there are legitimate, which ones are going to be here, for the long haul, and how you can take advantage of it. So we thank everyone for coming on, and we'll see you guys on the next one, on the next hangout. I like doing these because it gives me a chance to connect with people I've been, connected with on Facebook, or have been following me and everything. So I like to educate. As I learn, I got to teach. Me and Rennie, we both the same way.
Yes, I really appreciate that. I love hangouts because you can always go back to them, and people in a year will see our hangouts.
That's right. That's right. That's right. All right, guys. Well, enjoy. It's 10:51 a.m. here, and Victor, you said it's what, almost 4? It's almost
4:51. 4:51.
4:51. So it's pretty much evening there for you.
Exactly.
All right, brother. Well,
all right, guys.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. And
all right, you too.
We'll do this again next week.
Try and send out the link, the Swiss Gold link. I would like to look at it. I would like to explore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it to you, and I'll be doing Swiss Gold Global videos on my channel as well to break some things down as well.
All right.
All right, guys. Enjoy your weekend. We'll talk to y'all later.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks, Rick. Bye-bye.
Yeah.